Hey folks and welcome. It's time for another Bee tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Mailchimp to Bee. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms in the world. The company has been around for over 20 years and offers a number of sophisticated tools like automated customer journeys, performance tracking, and email campaign management. Discover the true potential of your email marketing efforts with our Mailchimp connector, where you can design beautiful, high-performing emails in Bee and then export them directly to Mailchimp. There, you'll find an entire suite of robust email marketing tools, ready to take your email campaigns to new heights. With our Mailchimp connector, you can streamline your workflow, boost performance, and connect with your audience like never before. And all it takes is just a few clicks. Here's how to connect Mailchimp to Bee. When you're ready to export your email, click the Exit button in the right-hand corner of the builder. Then, in the Email Details page, select Export. In the pop-up menu, click Push to your sending system, and then select Mailchimp. A login modal will appear. Once you input your information, click Login. You'll then need to authorize Beefree to allow access to your Mailchimp account. Awesome! Your Mailchimp account is now connected to your Bee workspace. To create an email draft within your Mailchimp account, simply click Create. You can then view your email draft by clicking this link here. When you land in Mailchimp, you can either open your design in the Design Editor or Code Editor. With the Code Editor, you can edit and update your email's HTML code if you so choose. If we jump into the Design Editor, you'll be able to make changes to text, buttons, and URLs only. However, this does include some limitations, such as images, GIFs, and stickers cannot be changed. Padding, borders, and background settings cannot be modified. Elements hidden on mobile devices within Beefree cannot be changed. And finally, drag and drop functionality is not supported. With that said, it is convenient to be able to edit within the Mailchimp design editor when you use the same design frequently, but only need to make minor changes to the content. For example, if you just need to update one line of copy, you can now make this change in Mailchimp without needing to jump back into Bee. However, if you plan to make changes to design elements or the formatting of your email, including text size, you should do so inside the Bee builder. By doing so, you'll be able to ensure your design is responsive and optimized for rendering. It's important to remember that when you export your email from Bee to Mailchimp, it is saved to your Mailchimp account as a new template. To find your design within Mailchimp's dashboard, just navigate to Content and then Email Templates. Here, you have a variety of options from sending your email to jumping back into the editor. That's it for this video. Experience the ultimate control over email creation and delivery with our Mailchimp connector. Get ready to take advantage of this streamlined workflow to give yourself and your team the freedom to be creative while saving valuable time. Thanks for watching.